I didn't catch it in time. It's for Albemarle Sound and Alligator River. What? Go!
Or greater and small hail. Source, radar.
Radar.
Impact.
Radar.
Craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Albemarle Sound, the vicinity of Moshus,
Albemarle
the center
Sound.
of
Albemarle Sound.
the mouth of the Perquimans River, Alligator River Bridge, the mouth of the Alligator River and Highway 94 Bridge. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The National Weather...
Right away! Are you kidding?
The National Weather Service in Newport has issued a special marine warning for...
It's not considered a doubleheader, but they issued this like 2 seconds afterwards.
Flight North Carolina to Oregon and left North Carolina out to...
Why did I leave?
Until 7 p.m. At 6:03 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Augusta 6 nautical miles north of the mouth of the Perquimans River, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Duck, Kitty Hawk,
Duck.
Devil Hills, the mouth of the Perquimans River in the center of the Albemarle Sound. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The National Weather Service...
Okay. That better be it. If I turn this radio off and something comes up, I am going to regret my life. Here we go. Why didn't I make this a compilation?
Newport has issued a special marine warning for Albemarle Sound until 7 p.m. At 6:02 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 7 nautical miles west of Edenton, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Highway 94 Bridge, Albemarle Sound and Edenton. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The National Weather Service...
Whoa.
7:40...
Severe thunderstorm warning.
At 6:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Deptco Pier to 7 miles southeast of Old Trap, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Devil Hills, Southern Shores, Sanderling, Collington, Duckco Pier, Jockey's Ridge State Park, Wright Brothers National Monument, Nagpad Fishing Pier, and Avalon Pier. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and or wind damage, including trees or large limbs down, by calling the National Weather Service office in Newport at 1-800-889-6889. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following county: Dare, North Carolina. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of...
Wow!
The National Weather Service in Newport has issued a special marine warning for
Special marine!
Sound, Alligator River, Croatan, and Roanoke Sounds. South of Prairie Tuck Beach, Light, North Carolina to Oregon and Left North Carolina out to 20 nautical miles until 8 p.m. At 6:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 nautical miles east of Long River, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Kitty Hawk, Kiogabo Hills, the center of the Albemarle Sound, the center of Croatan Sound, Highway 94 Bridge, Artificial Reef 145, the mouth of the Perklemens River, Alligator River Bridge, Albemarle Sound, Nag's Head, the vicinity of Moshus, Artificial Reef 140, Artificial Reef 130, the center of Roanoke Sound, Bull Bay Scuppernong River, Duck and the mouth of the Alligator River. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.